Avalanche is as of now at the #9 position in digital money markets. It made some all-memories high of $146.22 on Nov 21/2021, while the ongoing cost is just $46.06, somewhere near 68–65% from its ATH. Has the Avax token lost its appeal? Will Avax crypto recuperate from here on out? Figure out replies to every one of these and other significant questions in our Avalanche value forecast and considerably more. In light of the Avalanche cost forecast 2024, the token is expected to reach $65 before the current year's over. Our Avalanche coin cost expectation for 2030 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be around $223.23, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $183.01 and $263.45 individually. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, Avalanche will carry extremist change to back. The Avalanche environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off diffy applications, resources, exchanging and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A significant distinction between Avalanche blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration instrument. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Avalanche, the intrinsic potential. Arising as a very unique and dynamic power, Avax will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the exhibition of the separate symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide in the process. The current Avalanche cost is around $16, with a market capitalization of $5,521.47,200. The 24-hour exchanging volume of the Avax token is $101,623, with a flowing stockpile of 329,167,709 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The Avalanche figure is absolutely subject to digital currency market development. A blast time for Avalanche drives the value figure to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalabs, this coin has endured for the long haul, so it is essential to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure before long. Be that as it may, carry out your analysis to measure your gamble resistance. Avax Value Expectation 2024. As per Avalanche cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin might exchange between the scope of $32.69 to $65.78, where $32.69 is the base exchanging cost and $65.78 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of presumptions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $49 on ton. The Avax token is supposed to have least and greatest upsides of around $55.72 and $81.01 individually, according to our Avax cost expectation 2025, while the typical cost may be $67.97 with a rate change of around 40%. Avalanche coin value expectation 2026. According to our Avax cost gauge, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $85.91, with a base and most extreme cost of $70.43 and $101.39 separately for the year 2026. The unpredictability of the Avalanche cost is supposed to be very less, according to our Avalanche cost forecast. Avalanche Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Avalanche cost expectation, our specialists recommend that the Avalanche cryptographic money might exchange a scope of $87.94 and $126.60 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest, while the typical cost of Avalanche might be $107.27. Avax expectation 2028. Our Avalanche cost expectation for the year 2028 recommends that the typical cost might be $135.99, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $111.48 and $160.49 separately. Simultaneously, the Avalanche specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be half. Avax Coin Value Forecast 2029. According to our Avax's cost expectation, we can reason that the coin's cost might exchange at a typical cost of $174.76 for the year 2029, while the most minimal and greatest cost of the Avax token for the years might be $143.27 and $206.25 separately. Avalanche Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our Avalanche cost expectation 2030 shows that the likely high of Avalanche may be around $263.45, with a possible low of $183.01. The definite Avalanche cost investigation uncovers the typical cost to be somewhere near $223.23. According to the Avalanche gauge, the cost of Avax is supposed to cross the degree of $15.42. Before the year's over, Avalanche is supposed to arrive at any rate charge of $13.95. What's more, the cost of Avax is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $36.01. The Avalanche cost expectation brings expect combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential at the cost of Avax that might show a higher feeling. The cost could cross $66 toward 1 year's end. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $57.25 in 2024. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $68.91 with a typical cost of $59.27 all through 2024. Our 2024 Avalanche cost forecast says that Avax will begin the year at $123 and reach $283 halfway as the year progressed. The coin expects a maximum cost of $327 and a min cost of $139 in 2024. The year 2024 can end with a typical cost of $58.94 and a base value worth of $56.88. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around $70.17. What is the eventual fate of Avalanche? As per Avalanche cost expectation, the fate of this coin is exceptionally splendid. By 2030, we anticipate that Avalanche should have crossed the $170 mark. In any case, do your own examination and don't accept this data as speculation exhortation to purchase Avax. However, you might peruse the Avalanche expectation and track the ascent drop in the cost before you purchase Avalanche. Is Avalanche a wise venture? As per Avax's cost expectation for the following 5 years, the cost of Avax will hit a $92.62 high, making it a wise venture. The base cost for the year 2027 is assessed to be $64.34. Different Avalanche cost expectations in the market favor the long-haul acquiring capability of the crypto. What will be the Avalanche cost in 2030? Market Avalanche Cost Forecast 2030 uncovers the cost of Avax to take off up to $170 by the mid-year. The wide acknowledgement of the Avax crypto later on will support development and market cap. Diffie applications are one of a kind to Avalanche and make the exchange cycle quick. These are isolated from the subtleties put away on the block, working with dramatically fast exchanges. Highlights like the nuclear Avalanche wallet and security edges just add to cost energy. For what reason is the Avalanche cost rising?